Economic corruption includes gratitudes, overtime schemes, misuse or appropriation of departmental property, payoffs, ticket fixing, bribery or extortion, and theft from burglary scenes or drug raids. Let's take a look at police economic corruption. Corruption has been described as acting on opportunities created by one's authority for personal gain at the expense of the public one is authorized to serve. Gratitudes are items of value received by an individual because of his or her role or position rather than because of a personal relationship with the giver. The widespread practices of free coffee in convenience stores, half-price or free meals in restaurants, and half-price dry cleaning are examples of gratitudes. Justifications for gratitudes include the idea that some businesses need extra protection, that they're no different than the perks of other occupations, and that they compensate for poor pay, and they only cement community relations. Research indicates that people do not support gratitudes, but do not think they're very serious either, especially when the items were infrequent, food, or inexpensive. Critics of gratitudes argue that they erode public confidence in law enforcement and undermine our quest for professionalism. Critics argue against gratitudes for the following reasons. Professionals don't take gratitudes, gratitudes are grounds for corruption, and gratitudes are an abuse of authority. Additionally, critics argue that gratitudes add up to substantial amounts, they're the beginning of more serious forms of corruptions, they're contrary to democratic ideals, and they create a public perception that police are corrupt. Where should one draw the line between harmless rewards and inappropriate gifts? Suppose that an officer is told by a convenience store owner that he or she can help him or herself to anything in the store, free coffee, candy, cigarettes, chips, magazines, and the like. In the same conversation, the store owner asks the officer for her personal cell phone number in case something happens and I need to get in contact with you. Is this a gift or is it an exchange? Free meals or even coffee may influence the pattern of police patrol and thus may be wrong because some citizens are not receiving equal protection. The blue discount suit was a term that indicated how officers felt about gratitudes, explaining how officers expected merchants to extend free merchandise with the saying, "If you got no pop, you got no cop." Graft is the exploitation of one's role by accepting bribes or protection money. Examples of graft involve a range of seriousness from cheating a little on overtime to sophisticated schemes that utilize police power for private gain.